season right now where the Lord has something in you that's going to shake the earth. And you may be hurting, you may be crying, pillows wet with tears. But what the Lord has placed inside of you, what the Lord has placed inside of you will change generations after generations, generations after generations. They may not understand right now. They may think you're in a hole right now. They may think you're in a dark season. But greatness is inside of you. Don't abort it, don't kill it. It's inside of you. Don't forfeit it, it's inside of you. Don't give it up.